Hello YouTubers and welcome to Earn IT. In this tutorial I will show you a Telegram bot from which you can earn Dogecoins daily and a lot. So first of all, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, join it because I will be adding more and more earning websites, links and other things in here. So without wasting time, let's get to the bot. So this is the bot. You can find the link in the description. You can see that my balance is 4.005 Doge, and in the menu you can see that there are three options to earn. One is the visit sites, message bots and join chats, and you can earn a lot here. Here you can see for visiting sites I am getting 0.023 Doge. The maximum that you are getting from visiting sites is even 0.5 to 1 Dogecoin. You can see that when I hit the visit sites button, go to the site, open link, and now here wait for a few seconds. First let it load. Now wait for a few seconds, and that's it. Here you can see 0.094 Doge as added to my account. You can also use the message board button and join chats button to earn. Now I'm gonna this is my balance here, 4.099 Doge, and I'm gonna, here you can see the history. I haven't made any withdrawals from this bot yet. I'm gonna request my withdrawal. First let me fetch my Dogecoin address. If you don't have a Dogecoin address, you can get one from my dogechain.info, and I will recommend that you attach your wallet address to some micro wallet, because some sites and faucets are paying to faucet pay and micro wallets instead of paying to the direct wallet. So to avoid losing funds, I will recommend to attach your wallet to any of the microprocessors available online. So here you can see the total transactions that I have is 4, total received I have is 35, and my final balance is 35.66 Dogecoins. This is my Dogecoin address and copy. Now we're gonna hit the withdraw button. The minimum that you can request from this bot is 4 Dogecoins. So here you can see attached and send. Here you can see enter the amount. The minimum is 4 Dogecoin, so 4 it is, and send. Here it will ask for confirmation, and the blockchain fee is 0.1 Doge. Confirm it, and you can see that your withdrawal has been requested. So let's see the history, and it is pending. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. The payments are almost instant. It will only take a few minutes for them to complete. So let's wait. Again let's check the history, and it is still pending. Let's check the history again, and it's still pending. So let's wait a little longer for the payment. And here you can see after almost 5 minutes the payment is sent. You can see that type withdrawal amount 4 Dogecoins, my address, date and the status is sent. You can check the transaction from the view here button. So let's check the payment, and here you can see total transactions 5 and total received 39.56028.136. From 35 to 39 Dogecoins I received the payment. So this is it with this bot. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more legit earning sites, bots and all the things from which you can earn money online. So stay tuned.